We have lime tree. It's just dropping all its limes. They're really tiny. There was about 75 on that tree. And now down to a few left. Pomegranate. Lemons. You can see some lemons coming in. A couple baby banana trees. They're about 6-8 months old probably. And then we got another lime tree right here. And then some of those monsterosas. You got some aloe. And going downstairs to show you the bananas. Here we have peppermint. That's a ponytail palm. We got some rosemary that's not doing so well. Gonna plant some more seeds in there. Another little baby banana. Ponytail palms. These are grown from seed and they're almost 3 years old now. Coffee. Chinese orange or hardy orange or something like that. Then we got a couple of lemon trees up there from seed from last summer. Australian umbrella tree from seed. Now it's about getting close to 3 feet high. And here we have the banana trees. There's a big one in the back there. These are all from this mother right here. And she's doing pretty well. They're doing great under the lights. And then this is an olive tree. This thing has grown from right here. Since I brought it inside, put it under the lights, it's grown 6 to 8 inches. So it's just going crazy. But it's a beautiful tree. I bought it when it was about a foot high, like 2 years ago. And the banana tree is 2 years old. It's been down. I thought it was dead. And I just left it and it came back. And now it's just doing amazing. Got some more pups in there I got to take out. Little pups in all of these. You never had a shortage for banana trees because they're constantly growing pups. And then we got something else coming in down here. I don't know what that is yet. I'll have to check. Just popping up out of nowhere. Oh, here we got strawberries. They're coming in. They're growing. I grew these from seed. And then a couple more little bananas. They're tiny. These ones aren't doing the greatest, but just never know. But that's what I grow inside. Here's my bucket system. I didn't plant anything in here yet, but that's my aquaponics setup. So I usually grow peppers and tomatoes, but no more tomatoes because they don't do well indoors because the lights are not strong enough. And peppers do great, but that's what we got. We didn't do much this winter.